Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today I want to show you guys this cool little knife that was sent out to me to take a look at. Now this is from a company called REAT. This is a 6-inch D2 steel blade. It comes with the Kydex sheath for it. It also has the belt attachment on here. Really nice deployment of that. You just press in this little button here on the side and you can just open this guy up like so. And you can clip this onto your belt. Let's see, are these adjustable? No, those are not adjustable, but some of these you can find will be adjustable based on the size of your belt. But for most standard belts, Western belts, these are going to work just fine. And then it just clips closed like you guys see here. Feels really nice in the hands. Yeah, really nice little blade. So let me show you the actual blade. As you guys can see, we have the finger indentions here, and you also have like a little lanyard, little loophole here. So you can just reach in, you can pull this guy out. So this is the actual blade itself. So it's not super big in comparison to say other knives, but again, this is supposed to be something that you would use for camping, survival, hunting, as an EDC knife, you know, in my case, opening boxes, stuff like that. But don't let the size of this little guy fool you. Trust me, if you're out there in the bush and you're making dinner, I guarantee you'll be able to use this. So I can go in here and I can cut some onions just like I would with one of my larger knives. As you guys see here, I can go through and make my different slices. Now this is not going to be as accurate as a chef's blade or a santoku knife or something like that, but I want you guys to see how easy it will be for me to just dice up some onions using this little blade. Look at that. Perfect onion dicing. So if you're on a campsite and you still want, you know, a really nice meal, or you need to cut something open, cut some rope, whatever the case it may be, this could be a really nice knife for you guys to take a look at. I like the way it feels. It feels really balanced in the hand. The grip on here is really nice, and it feels like it'll be really secure if you were holding this, you know, for cutting rope or cutting a branch or whatever it is, trimming some wood. Yeah, this could be a nice little knife. So definitely check this guy out. I think this will be an outstanding survival camping knife, whatever you might want to use it for. But yeah, I'm a fan of it. And it comes with this little, you know, belt holster. That's a win. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I'll catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.